Have you ever wondered where every shilling from a poultry farm actually comes from? You know, most people think chicken farming is all about selling eggs, and others believe the real money is in selling meat, but almost nobody talks about the money hiding in chicken manure. I decided to do something different, and I wrote every single shilling that came into my farm. Every egg sold, every chicken sold, every bag of manure sold, and every chick sold. At the end of the month, I wanted to answer one simple question: where does my income really come from? Some of the results surprised even me. So today I will tell you everything. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Esther. Kindly subscribe. Now part 1 is why I started tracing everything. I knew I was making money, but I didn't know exactly where it was coming from. So I would sell eggs. A few days later, someone would buy manure. Another customer wanted live chickens. Money started coming in, but I never stopped to calculate which product was actually paying the bills. And that is why I bought a simple notebook. Every evening I recorded eggs sold, chickens sold, manure sold, nothing fancy but just honest records. After 30 days, I finally had the answer. Part 2 is money from eggs. Eggs were the easiest product to track because they were sold almost every day. Every morning my hens laid fresh eggs. Some customers bought trays of eggs, others bought just a few eggs. Every sale went into the notebook. By the end of the month, I counted every tray, every loose egg, every payment. When I added everything together, I realized eggs were bringing in constant daily cash. That is one thing I love about laying hens. Even when no chickens are sold, eggs keep generating income. It is like having employees that report to work every single day. Of course, production changes depending on weather, feed quality, and the age of the birds. But overall, egg sales remained the most reliable source of cash flow. Part 3 is money from manure. Now let's talk about something many farmers throw away: chicken manure. For a long time, I never thought much about it. Then gardeners started asking if I had manure for sale. Crop farmers wanted it. Vegetable growers wanted it. Instead of treating it as waste, I started collecting it properly, drying it, bagging it, and selling it. And slowly, those small sales added up. By the end of the month, the manure had brought in more money than I expected. That was a big lesson. Sometimes the things we ignore are actually profitable. If you are throwing manure away, you are probably throwing away money too. Part 4 is money from meat. Now let's move to chicken sales. Unlike eggs, chickens aren't sold every day. Some weeks I sold none. Other weeks, several customers came looking for mature birds. Some wanted indigenous chickens. Others preferred broilers. Many buyers wanted birds for family celebrations. Others wanted breeding stock. Each sale brought in a bigger amount of money than eggs. But the sales were less frequent. Chicken sales contributed a significant portion of my monthly income. And it reminded me that having different income streams protects the business. When egg production slows, chicken sales can help. When chicken sales are slow, eggs continue paying the bills. Now part 5 is money from chicks. One income stream that has been growing on my farm is chick sales. After hatching healthy chicks, I advertised them to farmers looking to start or expand their flocks. Some customers bought just a few chicks, others bought dozens at a time. So selling chicks has one big advantage because it creates income before the birds grow to market size. Instead of waiting several months to sell mature chickens, I can earn money much earlier. It also allows other farmers to benefit from breeding work already done on the farm. Watching customers live with healthy chicks reminded me that poultry farming isn't just about producing food, it is also about helping others build their own flocks. Now this is the total monthly result. After 30 days of recording every sale, checking my notebook every evening and adding up every single shilling that came into the farm, it was finally time to see the complete picture. This was the moment I had been waiting for. I sat down with my records, my calculator, and all the receipts. One by one, I added everything together. Every tray of eggs sold, every chick that found a new home, every mature chicken purchased by customers, and every bag of manure that left the farm. As I looked at the final figures, I realized something that completely changed the way I think about poultry farming. The biggest lesson wasn't how much money I made. The biggest lesson was understanding where the money came from. Before this challenge, I would finish a month knowing that I had earned some income, but I couldn't confidently tell you which part of my business was carrying the farm. I was working hard every day, but I wasn't paying enough attention to the numbers behind that work. Now everything is clear. The first thing I noticed was that eggs are the heartbeat of my farm. Every morning begins with collecting eggs. It is a routine I have done so many times that it almost feels ordinary. But after keeping proper records, I realized that some ordinary moments are actually the foundation of my business. Every egg collected represents good management, healthy birds, proper feeding, clean water, and consistent care. When customers buy eggs, they aren't just buying food, they are buying trust. They trust that my eggs are fresh, clean, and produced with care. That trust has taken time to build, and it is one of the most valuable assets any farmer can have. Then I looked at the chick sales. Seeing those numbers reminded me that every successful hatch opens another opportunity for income. Each chick starts as a tiny egg inside the incubator. It takes patience, careful temperature control, proper humidity, and consistent monitoring to achieve a good hatch rate. When those chicks hatch healthy and active, they become more than just baby chickens. They become another product that add value to the farm. Some customers buy chicks because they are starting poultry farming for the first time. Others are expanding businesses they already have. Knowing that my chicks are helping them other farmers grow gives me a sense of purpose beyond simply making sales. I also reviewed the sales of mature chickens. These birds represent months of hard work. From the day they hatch, they require feed, clean water, vaccinations, housing, protection from predators, and daily attention. So selling a mature bird isn't just one transaction, it is the result of weeks and even months of investment. When customers choose my chicks, they are paying for all the work that happened long before they arrived at the farm, and that made me appreciate the value of patience. Not every investment gives immediate returns. Some returns only come after consistent effort over a long time. Now the manure records. If someone had told me a few years ago that chicken manure would become one of my income stream, I probably wouldn't have believed them. You know, many people think manure is simply something that needs to be cleaned out of the coop, but proved otherwise. Instead of treating manure as waste, I now see it as another product my farm produces. So when you manage each one with care, they don't just create income, they build a stronger, more resilient poultry farm for the future. This experiment taught me several important lessons, and the first lesson is to keep records. So never guess and know your numbers. Number 2 is never waste chicken manure. Someone is willing to buy it. Number 3, don't depend on one source of income. Diversify your poultry business. And finally, small daily sales become big monthly income. Also, I learned something I'll never forget. Every egg matters. Every bag of manure matters. Together, they will build a successful poultry business. I would love to know about your farm. Which product bring you the most income? Eggs, meat, chicks, or manure? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more real poultry farming experiences, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy farming.